June 6th, 2010.
It's July, sorry.
Oh, damn it. Why do you lie to me like that?
I forgot.
Let's try this one again. We obviously do not know what we're doing. Hi. I don't want to say hi, that's lame. June 6th. I am shotgunning a Labatt Blue 24 ounce. I have never shotgunned a 24 ounce before, but seeming as we have no beer left in our house, and this seems to be my only option, I'm going to accompany Mr. Frank in his shotgun. Please do not judge me. I will not complete this, but I will give it a valiant effort.
And I, at the same time, will stick with this much lighter version of Labatt Blue, called Labatt Blue Light.
It's because he's watching his weight.
It's a little bit true, actually. I'm watching it grow significantly. Ready? Let's try not to get this on records. I mean, it's on record, but not on records. So.
I'm already beginning to regret this.
The window's right there if you need to.
Oh, yeah, maybe I should get a trash can. I think I'm gonna stop before I vomit.
That's true.
I'm not a machismo.
Never do that if you try.
I'm not a machismo asshole.
I just try and get her done.
People I know.
Just try and get her done.
Yeah, and who says shit like that?
You ready?
Not really, but let's go.
Should
we do it to something?
Okay.
God, you're
the
so
color blue.
Different.
Huh?
The
Being blue?
Canadians?
No,
Yeah,
never.
you hate Canadians.
Being blue. Or what about that Aqua song? Was that called Blue?
All I can think of right now is blue moon.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Blue moon.
1,
Z.
2, 3. Oh my god, I did it. That was horrible. Oh, I didn't do it. Damn it.
One little gulp.
Oh. I don't wanna. Don't hurt my tummy. Don't touch me. Yeah, I'm not as